In a video message released by MPCC President K. Meghachandra, he appealed to the general electors of the 5 assembly constituencies where re-poll is being carried out in 11 polling stations to exercise their constitutional voting rights wisely and choose the right candidate in order to save our state, Manipur. He further expressed that April 19th Lok Sabha elections for Inner Manipur constituency has witnessed a new trend where miscreants have been seen carrying arms and weapons in open, broad daylight, where miscreants have not respected and took concern for young girls, elderly people and have, on the contrary, targeted them, made their victims during the April 19th Lok Sabha elections. Rise and prevalence of such trend is uncalled for and has never been witnessed in any other democratic nation of the world. Through his video message, MPCC President further urged the people to decide as to which is the better option, whether INC and India bloc partners who are campaigning for free and fair elections, or whether BJP, which is using muscle and money power, threatening and causing unwanted atrocities upon women, children and elderly people to accomplish their ulterior motive of winning the elections. Keeping this in mind, he stressed that the general populace must exercise their voting rights wisely during the re-polls and during the second phase of the 18th Lok Sabha elections for the outer Manipur constituencies.
Masigi re-poll taramathoy khakhtang thokpase pende aduga paksana rigging tawibase ekhoina complaint tawriba khudimak re-poll tawningi amasung madu election commission da su thagre CEO da su thagre returning officer su thagre thaboina paikete election commission chisu masi su pura government BJP ki government gi kano da so pairaga leigre aduna karimta asi paket polite EVM kai budu khaktani re-poll tawrisi aduna masi pende akoi father complaint tawigani praja singi hak phangangedabani democracy lehengadabani aduna hojik lengak sin chathari basidi jangdamna bham leitre adagi yamna third degree method ta torture tawre mipum khudimak yum da nongoi caption ba khonam ba asukki matik torture tawse amuk ta udri ekhoy gi leiriba mayam sing masisi yamna pende masigi lengak se makha sum chatharaba masigi thawong se sum chatharaba Manipur di loire hai de loire pumloi loire aduna masi condemn tawi